Hey, creators! Are you still pouring endless hours into video editing and montage making? Well, get ready to say goodbye to that struggle, because Filmora 14 has landed with 3 incredible tools that will revolutionize your editing experience. These features will make your editing process smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. Trust me, keep watching to discover the magic. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Tired of pouring endless hours into editing your footage only to feel frustrated with the results? We've all been there. Spending time arranging clips, chopping them up, adding effects and filters, yet something always feels off. But guess what? With the amazing Auto Beat Sync feature, you can take all that hard work and transform it into something spectacular with just a few clicks. Ready to revolutionize your editing experience? Let's dive in. First, launch Filmora and go to the toolbox. Here you'll get all the AI tools and features offered by Filmora 14. Now, scroll down and you will find the Auto Beat Sync feature. Click on it to launch it and the Auto Beat Sync screen pops up. On the left side, you'll get a preview screen, and on the right side, you'll get settings, and at the bottom, you will get timeline. First, import your footage. Click on Import Media and select your long footage or select multiple footage and import them. Now, in the whole length section, you can adjust the video duration you want. Let's make it 30 seconds. Then in the background music section, import your music, and with the help of a slider, you can adjust the music start position. Then adjust the beat cut slider based on your music. If your music has lots of beats, set the slider on fast, and if it is slow music, set the beat on slow. Finally, let's add some effects. You can add RGB, glow, video wall, and blur effects. Just adjust the slider to adjust the effect use frequency. Once done with the settings, hit Analyze and relax, and let AI do the rest of the work for you. And within a few seconds, you will get your montage. Now, click on Export to Timeline and refine it further in your style. Hours of work with just a few clicks with Filmora's Auto Beat Sync feature. Creating multiple shorts from a long video could be a time-consuming process, and even more frustrating when you're working on a deadline. Filmora's got you covered. With smart short clips, you can generate multiple shorts in no time. Let's check it out. First, launch Filmora. Go to the toolbox and select Smart Short Clips, and the Smart Short Clips window pops out. You can upload a video directly from your YouTube channel or click on Upload to select the video from your computer. Then, in the next window, you'll get a preview screen on the left side and settings on the right side. First, select the language of your video from the language drop-down list. Then select the duration. Let's go with 30 to 60 seconds. Then select the theme of your video. If you can't find your video theme in this, keep it on auto, and then under the advanced option, you can adjust the aspect ratio. Even if you want to add background music, enable the Smart BGM Generation option and select the template for your video. Once done, click on Generate and put the AI to work. Within a few minutes, you'll get multiple shorts with the potential to resonate with audiences and be ready to share on social media. Export them directly or click on Edit on the timeline for further refinement. It's that easy to create shorts in Filmora. Extracting a highlight scene from a long video could be painful, and you get puzzled about which parts to keep and which to not keep. Well, leave it on Filmora's Smart Scene Cut feature, which extracts highlights, characters, and object scenes in no time. Let's check it out. To start, launch Filmora and navigate to the toolbox. Select Smart Scene Cut and import your footage. The Smart Scene Cut screen will appear. Click on Start, and the AI will begin extracting highlights and identifying characters in the video. After a few minutes, the Smart Scene Cut settings window will display the best highlights. You can add these highlights to the timeline one by one, or click Add All to include all highlights at once. To add scenes featuring specific characters, select the particular character option. If you want to extract scenes with a custom object, click Add, choose the object, and the AI will extract scenes featuring that specific object. Filmora made it simple for creators to work with just a few clicks. Don't waste your time. Download the Filmora 14 from the link in the description and get your hands on these features. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.